So this week I'm starting something new. I'm going to do some tips. So today I'm going to show you how to tenderize a piece of steak that might not be too tender or of good quality. So stay tuned. I'll be showing you how to do that right away. All right, so tenderizing meat is very important because a lot of stores, especially around here, you know, like a Mariano's or a Walmart or a Joasco, they don't have the best quality meats. So, you know, so like a fillet like this is about 10 ounces, and I can look at it and you see the vein right here, which tells me that, you know, it's not going to be so tender. So what you have to do with these kind of steaks is tenderize it. So I'll show you a couple ways you can do it at home. First, you know, some people use pans. I mean, I don't like them because you got to really have a heavy duty pan to do this. Rolling pins work, but again, you could break them. There's too many things. You need what we call a meat hammer. There's two sides. There's a little spiky side and a flat side. You can get this hammer almost like at a dollar store, any local like little kitchen store. I think mine was like $2, and it just works. So that's all you need. You need that and a little plastic wrap. That's all you need to tenderize a steak at home. So what you're gonna do is take a piece of plastic wrap, put it right on a hard surface. It has to be hard where it doesn't bounce, so make sure it's a hard surface. Right here, the countertops are very good. So then you put your steak right in the middle. Take another piece, same size, right over the top. Now, you're gonna pound it, nice and gentle. You don't want to destroy it. You just want to go nice and soft.
I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas.
So that's it. This is the thickness you want. So the 10-ounce fillet, so what I did was just go as thick as my pinky. This still gives me the possibilities of doing temperatures on it. If you go too thin, you know, you won't be able to do rare, medium rare, just overcook it right away. So this still I can do medium rare. Now here comes the trick. So now you got it nice and flat. It's still not tender. Now you got to take the spiky side and just go over it. Now here's one privilege of doing it with plastic wrap. You can flip it right over. So there you go. This is how you tenderize a nice fillet. So even that cheap fillet that you can buy, because fillets come in different grades, as we all know, there's so many, but like at the store you can get maybe CAB, which is really expensive, and to primes, which are even the most tenders, but this is probably a choice fillet, and choice fillets usually aren't really nice and soft. This is, so you got to tenderize it. So this is a good way to do it at home too, and especially if you're trying to do a quick meal. Now I'll give you a quick tip. For this kind of steak, you can do an easy marinade. Just a little olive oil, a little chopped garlic, some onion, rub it on, season it, sear it on the grill, 2 minutes on each side, perfect steak. So that's just a quick couple tips. And now a word from our sponsors. I don't always drink soda, but when I do drink soda, there's only one soda of choice, Mountain Dew, and it has to be diet. I can almost feel my waist getting slimmer by the second. So that's my new little thing we're starting. This is gonna be a lot of cooking tips and stuff like that to help you with certain things. I'll do other ones like how to clean fishes, how to clean tenderloins and stuff like that. Plus we also still do the regular cooking videos and now vlogs on Tuesday. Every Tuesday at 7 a.m. there's a vlog. It usually follows me on a day's, usually a day or 2 days of what I do in a normal day. And then the cooking show is almost every Saturday, and there's gonna be tip shows dropping every once in a while. So always hit subscribe. That way you guys don't miss any content. Follow me on Chef Jesse Q on Instagram, Chef Jesse Q on Twitter, Jesse Quinones on Facebook. Until next time, see you guys later.
Thanks for having me.
Looking up, there's always sky. Rest your head, I'll take you high. We won't fade into darkness.